Today is Friday, March the 7th, 2025, about 10:05 in the morning. And I'm showing you this number 58 because this is the spot that we're in. And I'll show it around to you. We are at South Llano State Park, and of course the campground. And I want to show you this whole spot, give you a quick little review of where we're at. We are in the last spot in this campground. Okay? So, right there's the main road. When you come in from the headquarters, it's down there about, third of a mile down there. You'll come down this road, and this is a one-way, so you have to keep going that way. And go all the way around, which is a pretty good-sized campground. And we came to this spot, number 58, we're the last. So, getting out of here is very easy. Just have to go there, and we'll be out when we pull out. There were people in that spot when we were here, but they left several days ago. And then there was a woman in a tent down over there. She left a couple of days ago. You see a lot of people leaving here, literally probably 8 to 10 or more every day. But there's that many or more that comes in at night. So you never know. But anyway, you can see some of the trees that we have around here. And you see the spot, and you see the truck right here. And pretty much where I'm standing here on the long end is what we have for footage. So you can see, I'm still several feet from being out here in the road. And so there's plenty of room for the truck and the trailer here. And so we haven't had any issue with that. Now these sites, all of them, are exactly like what they were at Garner and many other places, and many places that will be. And they are just electric and water right here. So I will show you that you see it's 30 amp only. Then got a couple 110s there. And then you got your water on this side. And so, of course, I'm hooked up with those two. There's no sewer here. There is a dump station, but literally, you're not going to be able to see it. But if you could see with this GoPro, but you probably can't, all the way down through those trees, you see something blue. That's a dumpster. There's 3 dumpsters down there. The dump station is just this side of those dumpsters there. So, with this site, besides the electric and water, and the space that I'm showing you, that you get, and you see, I'm still this far from the concrete curb thing there, so I could come back much further if I wanted. But you get this little covered picnic area, which actually I have to admit, the 4 days we've been here, we haven't used it. We've been out busy doing, other things. But you can see that you do get this. It is covered. It's got metal and little wooden slats on both sides. And then you get that lantern hook there, trash hook, whatever you want to use it for, right? And you see we got a couple more trees here. Then this tree up here I've already showed you. And here's just the other side. And then right back up. So we've got a couple of chairs out here. It's been a very, very nice spot to stay in. I'm talking about quiet, friendly people. People walk here and ride bikes constantly, all the time, day and night. In the evening, not night, but evening. And they're always very friendly. And everybody seems to be relaxed, and been no problems. We've walked a number of trails here. We visited 3 of the bird blinds, some multiple times, and all that's been good. Now, as far as TV stations, none. 0. No over-the-air TV stations here whatsoever, just again like Garner. But however, what's the difference? There's no Wi-Fi here. If you go up to the headquarters, which like I said is about a quarter to a third of a mile up that way, they have great Wi-Fi. You can sit there and just do anything you want on your phone. But the difference between Garner and here, we've had a 5G signal every day, every night. Strong signal. We are on T-Mobile. And so we have had a strong signal, so we've had no problem, interneting on phones, on laptops. We've done that the whole week we've been here. So What else can I tell you? It's a really nice park. Got some good trails. Like I said, got some really good bird blinds. A lot of nice birds, a lot of animals. Yesterday, by the way, we saw 2 live armadillos. One up on the other side of where the visitor center is at. And then I saw the other one literally right there, right across the street from us. And got a little bit of video of him as well. So I may add that into this video because I'm not sure where else to use it at. But other than that, I mean, you know, again, because we have the State Texas Park Pass, I think we're paying $15 a night here, I think. So it'll be $60 for the 4-night stay. And we're moving on to another one. I won't give you a hint of which that one's, you know, what it is. I want you to come back, of course, obviously, and watch all these as I make them. And I plan to do an RV review spot in every one of them to tell you about it. Oh, and the last thing I didn't tell you, we got a grill over there you see on the ground. So, other than that, we've never been to this park before. Really enjoyed this park. I honestly would gladly come back here again and spend even more time. And we may do that in the future. So don't be shocked if down the road somewhere you see another South Llano River campground and park review. All right, so you take care of yourself. Hope you enjoyed this one. And I will see you on the next video. Bye now.